Okay, Mommy wants to show Grandma. Can you show Grandma? Come forward. Yay, Jimmy! Come on. You can do it. Yes, that's right. Keep going. Ah. Okay, that is certainly one approach. Yay! Dad? Oh, honey, this is boring. And now we meet toddlerhood, wherein Jamie demonstrates that while he thought the truck was the coolest thing on the planet 5 seconds ago, now he would like what Mommy has. Yeah, we're not Flip is Mommy's. The flip is not for Jamie's. Where's your truck? Now we are demonstrating the second stage of toddlerhood, known as, I think I'll lean against you, oh wait, you're a tunnel. This was supposed to be about Jamie and the truck, Martha. I'm very sorry. Jamie, do you want to go back to your truck? Do you want to go back to your truck? Where's your truck? Yes, Mommy's funny. Oh, you want to go back through? Okay, honey. Perhaps we'll go back to the truck. Where's the truck? Where's the truck? Can you show Mommy the truck? You're instead going to show Mommy your toy bin. Okay. Martha, I'm very sorry. He is my child. And the bowls are just more interesting right now. There they go. Yes, those are your bowls. Indeed. And there they roll. There they roll. Are you going upstairs to see Daddy? Are you sure you wouldn't like to see the truck? Apparently we would not like to see the truck right now. La la la. Okay, we can go see Daddy. We're going to go see Daddy now. I was trying to take a flip video of him playing with the truck, since he's perfected going backwards. And the moment I turned it on, he decided he was done with the truck.
Let's see. Were you done with it, dude? Ladder.
Jamie is now going to participate in the efforts to make dinner, as he does every night, by deconstructing some of Mommy's pots and pans. Daddy also does this, but it produces food and it does not involve pots on the floor.
Much.
Yep, those are your pots. Jamie has free run of the pots. Okay, what are we doing? Thank you. Yep, that is your pot. That is porcelain fieldstone, thank God. Because otherwise it'd be cracked. Jamie. It's very still now. Jamie. What are you doing? For the viewers, please just imagine my pained expression. I was not thinking of you when we bought this tile, honey, but now I do. Jamie, careful, near the hot. Be very careful near the hot. Yes, those are your pots. Indeed. Dada. That is a smaller lid. It also makes noise. Okay, I'm going to turn off the recording. Have fun, guys. Or, oh God. I'll leave this last image for you to imagine what happens next.